In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain name at Hostinger. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to Hostinger's website. This is where you can register a brand new domain for your brand, project, or portfolio. Make sure you're on the official Hostinger site and that the currency and region shown match your preference, so the pricing you see is accurate for you. Once you're on the site, look for the domains option in the main navigation and click it. This takes you to Hostinger's domain section, where everything is set up to help you search for names, compare extensions like .com, .net, or country-specific options, and see clear pricing before you buy. Next, click Get a new domain. This brings up Hostinger's domain search tool. Think of this as your brainstorming hub. A few quick tips as you type. Aim for something short, easy to spell, and relevant to what you do. If your first choice is taken, try small variations. Consider a different extension or add a simple word that keeps the name memorable. Avoid unusual punctuation or tricky spellings that could confuse visitors. In the search box, enter the domain name you want and run the search. You'll see availability results along with pricing for each extension. If your exact match is available, great. If not, check the suggested alternatives and consider whether a different extension still fits your brand. Also note the difference between introductory prices and renewal rates, so you know what you'll pay each year going forward. When you've found the domain you want, click Add to Cart. You'll usually see an option to choose how many years you want to register it for. Longer terms can be convenient if you're committed to the name, and you won't have to think about renewals for a while. Now, click Continue to checkout to complete the purchase. Before you pay, review your cart to confirm the exact domain name, the term length, and the total cost, including any taxes or regulatory fees. During checkout, you may see optional add-ons such as domain privacy protection or related services. Pick what suits your needs and budget, then proceed with your preferred payment method. After payment, Hostinger will confirm your order and your domain will appear in your account under the domain section. That's it. You've successfully bought a domain name at Hostinger. From here, you can set it up with hosting, connect it to a website builder, or create professional email later on. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new domain.